Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So did you order something on Etsy by mistake or changed your mind? Buyers can request order cancellation, but approval depends on the seller and whether the item has already shipped. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to cancel an order on Etsy as a buyer in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So important reality check: buyers request cancellation, sellers approve it. Okay. Um, Cancellation works best before shipping. It works on mobile and desktop. Fast action improves success rate. Okay, so now check order status. So before requesting cancellation, open Etsy app or on the desktop, tap your profile, tap purchases and review, select your order because it will be here, and confirm status. Okay, so not shipped or processing. Okay, shipped, cancellation unlikely. So the second thing, request cancellation from seller. So open the order itself, tap help with order, select message seller, and request cancellation politely. For example, hi, I would like to cancel this order if possible. The item hasn't shipped yet. Thank you. Seller receives the request instantly and manually cancel orders. Okay. Wait for seller response. So seller may approve cancellation, issue refund, decline request. So most sellers respond within 24 to 48 hours. Okay. If cancellation is approved, order cancelled, refund issued automatically, money returns to original payments method. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.